Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the button and gestures. Then click here to the power key, and now just to activate quick launch to the camera app, you should click here once on the switcher, and now when we press twice our power key button, you can see that the camera app is turned on. So that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.